Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix your DNS server if it is broken after a Windows update. So let's get started. To begin with, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the command ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Now type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Now type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space /release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window and restart your computer once and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.